This recipe will impress all your guests. To start, peel 2 pounds and 3 ounces of sweet potatoes. Next, cut them into large chunks. The thickness should be as shown in the video. Place the sweet potatoes in a pot. Cover with water and let them cook for 15 minutes. After cooking, drain the water and transfer the sweet potatoes to a bowl. Mash them very well until you get a puree. Pass the sweet potato puree through a sieve to make it even smoother. This is the ideal texture we're aiming for. Transfer the puree to a pot and add 2 pounds and 3 ounces of sugar. Mix well until it forms a paste. Add 7 US fluid ounces of coconut milk and continue mixing until everything is incorporated. In a small bowl, place 24 grams, about 4 teaspoons, of unflavored gelatin with 10 tablespoons of water. Add 1 teaspoon of red food coloring. Microwave the mixture for 12 seconds, stir well, and pour it into the pot with the sweet potato puree. Mix for 1 minute. Pour the mixture into a mold and refrigerate for 12 hours. And there you have it. Our delicious sweet potato dessert is ready. The flavor is simply magnificent. Cut the pieces and roll them in sugar for a special touch and even more flavor. Let us know in the comments what you think of this recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button on our video. Not part of our channel yet? Click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming recipes. LA.